So, you've heard of Airwallex, right? This fintech unicorn that promises to revolutionize international payments. But here's the burning question, is it really a bank? Let's dive into the details. Before we answer that, let's quickly recap what Airwallex does. Essentially, it's a financial technology company that offers a range of financial services, including international money transfers, currency exchange, corporate cards, and more. But what sets it apart is its innovative approach to these services, often leveraging technology to streamline processes and reduce costs. The big question, is Airwallex a bank? Now, the million-dollar question, is Airwallex a bank? The short answer, no, it's not. While Airwallex offers many banking-like services, it doesn't operate as a traditional bank. It doesn't have physical branches, nor does it accept deposits from the general public. Instead, it partners with regulated financial institutions to provide these services. How does Airwallex work then? So, if it's not a bank, how does it manage to offer such a wide range of financial services? Partnering with banks, Airwallex collaborates with licensed banks around the world. These banks handle the underlying financial transactions, ensuring compliance with local regulations. Technology-driven platform, Airwallex leverages advanced technology to streamline processes, reduce costs, and provide a seamless user experience. This technology allows them to offer competitive exchange rates and faster transfer times. Regulatory compliance. While not a bank itself, Airwallex is subject to various regulatory requirements, including anti-money laundering and counterterrorism financing regulations. The benefits of using Airwallex. While Airwallex isn't a traditional bank, it offers several advantages for businesses. Lower fees. By leveraging technology and partnerships, Airwallex can often offer lower fees compared to traditional banks. Faster transfers. Its efficient platform and global network enable faster international transfers. Multiple currency accounts. Businesses can hold and manage multiple currencies in one place. Corporate cards. Airwallex provides corporate cards with features like expense management and real-time tracking. The drawbacks. While Airwallex offers many benefits, it's important to consider potential drawbacks. Limited customer support. As a tech-focused company, Airwallex might not offer the same level of personalized customer support as traditional banks. Potential complexity. For some users, the technology-driven approach might be more complex than traditional banking. While Airwallex isn't a bank in the traditional sense, it's a powerful financial technology platform that offers a range of banking-like services. By understanding its business model and the benefits it offers, you can make informed decisions about whether it's the right solution for your business needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.